Today let us see about another property, that is electron gain enthalpy. What do you mean by electron gain enthalpy? In the name itself it is there. When an electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom, is converted into a negative ion. So the enthalpy change accompanying the process is defined as electron gain enthalpy. So when an electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom, it converts into negative ion, anion. So the enthalpy accompanying the process is defined as electron gain enthalpy, del EGH. So electron gain enthalpy provides a measure of EC2 which an atom add electron to form anion. Actually it is measured in kilojoule per mole. Electron gain enthalpy is measured in kilojoule per mole. So X is a gaseous atom. If you add electron, it turns to X minus. Depending on the element, the process of adding an electron to the atom can be either endothermic or exothermic. What is exothermic? When you add an electron, it releases energy, then it is known as exothermic. Exothermy is negative enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy. Endothermic means when you add an electron, it absorbs large amount of energy. More amount of energy is needed to add an electron. So that is known as endothermic electron gain enthalpy. For endothermic electron gain enthalpy, del electron gain H is positive. So down the group, both electron gain enthalpy and electron affinity is same. The meaning of electron gain enthalpy and electron affinity is same. Actually, what is electron affinity? Amount of energy released when an electron is added to valency shell to a neutral gaseous isolated atom. For example, if you take an atom in the gaseous state, if you are adding electron, that turns to negative ion. Along with that, it released kilojoule per mole amount of energy, that is around 8 electron volt amount of energy is released. So that electron affinity is plus 8 electron volt. What do you mean by that electron gain enthalpy? Always electron gain enthalpy is negative sign, so that electron gain enthalpy equal to minus 8 electron volt. So del EGH, that is electron gain enthalpy, del EGH equal to minus electron affinity, minus electron affinity. If you see that one atom is converted into ion and it gained the charges. So when one electron is added, it turns to A minus, that is first electron affinity. Always first electron affinity will be positive. For the same A negative ion, another one electron is added, then it turns to A minus 2. That is electron affinity second one, second electron affinity. Second electron affinity is negative. So in a successive electron affinity, first electron affinity is positive, always second electron affinity is negative. Here that example is given which has more electron gain enthalpy. Go through this. Fluorine and chlorine. Chlorine has higher negative electron gain enthalpy value because fluorine size is small, chlorine size is bigger than fluorine. So that compared to fluorine and chlorine, chlorine has more electron gain negative enthalpy. Why is chlorine has highest electron gain enthalpy? Look at this, fluorine and chlorine. Compared to fluorine and chlorine, both have 7 electrons in its outermost shell, but chlorine has one more shell more than that of fluorine. So, fluorine has 7 electrons, but the ability of attracting electron is more for fluorine than chlorine. Actually, the fluorine want that electron more, want one electron. So it attract the electron, but accepting the electron by the atom, it is easy in chlorine. Chlorine also has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Fluorine also has 7 electrons. But when you see that fluorine, because of its small size, that attraction is more, but it cannot accept. At the same time, chlorine can attract as well as it can accept the electron. Attraction will be less than fluorine. Why? Because that valency shell is more, number of shells are more, so that it has less attraction towards its center. So that electronegativity is less, but electron affinity is more in chlorine. So that chlorine has more electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. So when you look at here another one example, which has more electron gain enthalpy, oxygen or fluorine. So electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is much more negative than that of oxygen. This is because as we move from oxygen to fluorine, the atomic size decreases and due to increasing nuclear charge. Therefore, increase the attraction of nucleus for the incoming electron and hence electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. Why is chlorine has more electronegative than fluorine? Because fluorine has smaller size, so that less than chlorine. What are the factors affected electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy? What are the factors? Nuclear charge. Greater the nuclear charge, greater will be the attraction for the incoming electron. As a result, larger will be the value of electron affinity. So, when we move from left to right, nuclear charge increases, so that electron affinity also increases. Atomic size, large size of an atom, larger will be the distance between the nucleus and the incoming electron. So that electron affinity will be less. So atomic size increases, electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy decreases down the group. And if you see that electronic configuration, electron gain enthalpy will be less for half filled and completely filled electronic configuration. Go through this answer. Make a note of it. You can see to that and you can make a point. So when you see this electronegativity, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine has the highest electronegativity element among all those elements because of its small size. And if you see that, what is the electronic configuration of fluorine? 2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, when you see that only one electron, 2p5, only one electron is needed. So what happened? It is highly electronegativity atom. Here is a periodic table of oxygen and sulfur. If you see that electronegativity of oxygen has value 3.44 and sulfur has 2.58. So the element more electronegativity is oxygen is than sulfur, but among that all those elements fluorine has highly electronegativity, that is 3.98 or 4. So this all the explanation shows that which element has more electronegativity and more electron affinity. Which halogen has more electron affinity? Chlorine has more electron affinity, halogen. White nitrogen has positive electron gain enthalpy. If you see that outermost configuration of nitrogen, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So if you see that in p orbital, 3 electron half filled is exactly half filled 2p subshells are present. Therefore, it has no tendency to accept extra electron, and energy has to be supplied to add additional electron. Thus, electron gain enthalpy of nitrogen is slightly positive. Even so, if you see this in your textbook, it is given table 3.7. The value of electron gain enthalpy as given in your textbook. If you see this value of electron gain enthalpy of group 1, down the group, the electron gain enthalpy decreases down the group. Why? Because atomic size increases. And when you see this group 16, oxygen and sulfur, sulfur has more electron gain enthalpy than oxygen. Next, so in this 16 group, oxygen has less electron gain enthalpy than the other element. So if you arrange in the decreasing order of negative electron gain enthalpy, when you see that sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, then oxygen. So when you see this group 17, the negative electron gain enthalpy, if you see that chlorine has more negative electron gain enthalpy than fluorine, because fluorine is small size. So accepting electron is easy for chlorine than fluorine. So that increasing order of negative electron gain enthalpy is chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine and actinium. And when you see the zero group element, there neon, if you see this hydrogen, all this positive electron gain enthalpy. Why does it has positive electron gain enthalpy? Because they have completely filled configuration. So it is endothermic reaction. So the more amount of energy is needed to keep an electron with this shell, so that zero group element has positive electron gain enthalpy. If you see that helium has plus 48, neon has plus 116, but argon has plus 96. So neon electron gain enthalpy is more than that of argon. Why? Why? Because neon has completely filled configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6. All the three shells or subshells are completely filled, so that it doesn't want any electron, so that much amount of energy is to be supplied to keep that an electron in the another one shell. So it has more positive electron gain enthalpy. When you see this argon and krypton, they both have plus 96. Why does they both have plus 96? When you see that down the group, it is decreasing, but argon and krypton, it is remain same. When you see that, when you see this krypton in the fourth shell, 4p6. So in this, when you see that outermost shells are more, that means it has number of shells are more, so that the tendency to keep electron is similar than that of argon, so that they both have similar electron gain enthalpy. So is sulfur is more negative than oxygen. So what is electron gain enthalpy? How does it differ? Look at this periodic table. Electron gain enthalpy increases along the period, and electron gain enthalpy in the diagonal, it is increases from bottom to up, and from bottom to top it increases. At the same time, top to bottom electron gain enthalpy decreases. So electron gain enthalpy decreases along the